Fellow Kenyans, with regard to Kenya's health insurance, I am aware of the proposed changes in the fees and structure of insurance benefits by the NHIF. And given my administration's commitment to providing affordable health care, I am today directing the Ministry of Health to immediately halt the implementation of this proposal to allow for further consultation. My fourth intent, fellow Kenyans, speaks to the issue of corruption. Fellow Kenyans, I want to renew my pledge to you on this fight. I will not turn to the left or right. I will not soft pedal or back pedal, nor be intimidated.